What is up, everybody? We're out here at Lake Michigan, and how do you come to Lake Michigan and not bring an RC boat? So I got the 3S Atomic out here, catamaran. Thought we'd have a little fun with it. Haven't had this thing out in a while. What an awesome boat. Nice slow passing here. We got paddle boarders out there. We got real boats out here at the Indiana Dunes on the West Beach. The lakes. Well, this one might be called Lakeside, actually. All right, thanks for going on vacation with me, guys. I'll see you later.